Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are in Cornwall at the Ribfest 2025. Gonna try some ribs, maybe. Gonna have a good time, definitely. Let's check it out. So we came here last year, we had a great time. There were some protesters. Today it's extremely hot and humid, and no protesters around, go figure. But activities, as you can see, and lots of people. Seems to be a lot more games than there was last year, which is cool. I think it's the same 5 rivers, so we'll go check them out. Fresh lemonade coming up. For the most part, the food does not change in these things. Bubble tea, all the prices here. Twisted potatoes, or taters. My favorites is the bloomin' onions. Look how great this looks. We got a slushy station here. You pour your own. Look, they got all kinds of slushies to choose from. And then we approach the 5 Rivers. Krabby's BBQ Shack, Mississippi Smokehouse, Fat Boys, Texas Rangers, and Fabulous Ribs Royale. We've eaten at just about every one of these. Which one are we going to choose today? Possibly Fat Boys. We'll see. You never know what you're going to see at a Ribfest. Look at this. Someone brought their pet iguana out for some ribs. Very cool. Let's check out what Krabby's has to cook up first.
Want to put wood in the fire for me? How's it going?
Going good, man. You?
Pretty good.
Smells amazing.
Tastes even better. Going for best ribs 8 weeks in a row.
Good for you, man. Let's check out and see what Mississippi Smokehouse has on the BBQ. Got some loud music. Let's go, man. It's all looking good. Cook it up, man. Let's check out what's on the grill at Fat Boys. He's cooking it up. Cook it up, man. Cook it up. Look at these chickens, man. Sausage. Ribs. Fries. Yum, 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 man. Let's see what Texas Rangers has. Their pit looks a little empty, but they got some good food there. Let's go, man. Look at this. Cook it up, man. Fell right off the bones, man. Check out Ribs Royale, what they have to eat. Oh yeah. That looks delicious. I will be on top of the world. So we decided to go with Fat Boys. I think they gave us extra ribs because look at this.
Look at that.
They are generous with the ribs today.
They are.
And they smell delicious. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Fat Boys.
Yes, thank you to the manager there who gave us extra ribs. Let's taste these.
Might not have been cut very well. Ooh, fuck, that's hot. Oh, yeah. All right, here I go. That sauce is really good.
Are they tender though?
They're not fall off the bone, but they're tender. They're not dry. But that sauce.
Well, that one's not fall off the bone. Maybe the other ones over there might be. We also have chicken
Let's push it over.
and pulled pork.
And let's taste the pulled pork. All right, pulled pork. Let's see. That's tender. The sauce is really good.
Same sauce as the ribs, huh?
Yep, but they're award winning from 2024, and I can see why. Their sauce is sweet but savory as well. Really good. The last thing we'll try is the chicken.
Smells good.
Dry, but the taste and the smoke is nice. But it's no Costco chicken. All in all, great. That barbecue sauce, I wish you know what? I might buy a bottle. So that barbecue sauce is A1.
And we also got mac and cheese. How's the mac and cheese? There you go. Pulled pork, I tasted it. It's okay. It's very mushy. Some fatty parts in it. The chicken is dry. And the ribs are not off. And that's the end of our Ribfest in Cornwall visit. It's very hot. Everyone is soaking wet. So we ate pretty good, eating better. And that's it. Guys, thanks for watching. Just like and subscribe. See you later.